Embark on a journey of innovation with the latest Amazon gadgets. These top picks will transform your daily life with cutting-edge technology and unmatched convenience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Imagine a world where retro gaming meets cutting-edge technology. The AYANEO AM02 is not just a mini PC, it's a nostalgic journey wrapped in modern power. This compact marvel, priced at $439, boasts an AMD Ryzen 7, ensuring you can run both classic and contemporary games seamlessly. Its design, reminiscent of the iconic NES, is a love letter to gamers who cherish the golden era of gaming. But don't let its retro looks fool you. This mini PC is packed with up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Whether you're setting it up in your living room or taking it on the go, the AYANEO AM02 is your perfect gaming companion. Plus, its 4-inch touchscreen adds a layer of interactivity that makes gaming even more immersive. Ready to relive the past with the power of the future? In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Enter the Trezor Safe 3, a fortress for your digital assets. Priced at $79, this hardware wallet combines sleek design with robust security features. It supports over 8,000 coins and tokens, making it a versatile choice for any crypto enthusiast. The Trezor Safe 3 is equipped with a secure element, ensuring your assets are protected against both online and offline threats. Its 0.96-inch monochromatic OLED screen provides clear transaction details, and the on-device confirmation adds an extra layer of security. With its open-source design, you can trust that the Trezor Safe 3 is transparent and reliable. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this wallet is your key to secure and hassle-free crypto management. Say goodbye to those hard-to-reach muscle knots with the innovative massage gun extender. This handy tool, available for $21, transforms your regular massage gun into a comprehensive muscle relief machine. Designed to fit most massage guns, the extender allows you to target areas like your back, shoulders, and legs with ease. Imagine the convenience of a professional-grade massage right at home, without the need for awkward stretching or contorting. The extender is lightweight, easy to install, and perfect for anyone looking to enhance their recovery routine. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who just needs a bit of relaxation, the Massage Gun Extender is your go-to solution for effective and effortless muscle relief. Transform your workspace into a haven of organization and efficiency with the LeMat Fixer Mini. This ingenious desk organizer, priced at $49, is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for your productivity. Imagine a sleek magnetic organizer that seamlessly integrates with your desk mat, offering a dedicated space for your gadgets, pens, and even a nightlight. The LeMat Fixer Mini is designed to keep your workspace clutter-free while providing quick access to your essentials. Its built-in wireless charging pad ensures your devices are always powered up, and the customizable toolbar lets you personalize your setup to match your workflow. Whether you're working late into the night or just need a bit of extra light, the nightlight feature has you covered. Say goodbye to desk chaos and hello to streamlined efficiency with the LeMat Fixer Mini. Step up your mobile photography game with the LumiCard, a compact, credit card-sized light that attaches magnetically to your phone, priced at $49. This innovative gadget is perfect for content creators and anyone who loves capturing moments on the go. The LumiCard delivers a powerful 500 lumens of light, ensuring your photos and videos are always well lit, even in low-light conditions. Its wireless charging capability means you can keep it powered up without the hassle of cables. And the IP67 rating ensures it's weather-resistant, ready for any adventure. The LumiCard's versatility doesn't stop there. It also includes a USB-C port for direct power from your phone and can be used with a variety of phone cases. Whether you're shooting a vlog, taking selfies, or just need a bit of extra light, the LumiCard is your pocket-sized solution for perfect lighting every time. Keep an eye on your home, pets, or loved ones with the Wyze Cam Pan V3, a versatile security camera that offers 360 degrees pan and 180 degrees tilt capabilities. Available for $39, this camera is designed to provide comprehensive coverage of any room or outdoor area. With its IP65 rating, the Wyze Cam Pan VS3 is weather resistant, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The camera features full 1080 CEHD video, color night vision, and two-way audio, allowing you to see and communicate clearly, day or night. Its motion tracking technology ensures that any movement is detected and followed, providing you with real-time alerts and recordings. Whether you're using it as a baby monitor, pet cam, or part of your home security system, the Wyze Cam Pan V3 offers peace of mind with its reliable performance and advanced features. Meet the ultimate companion for your favorite beverages, the BruMate Hopsulator Trio. This versatile can cooler, priced at $29, is designed to keep your drinks ice cold no matter the occasion. Imagine enjoying a perfectly chilled beer at a summer BBQ or a refreshing soda on a hot day. The Hopsulator Trio fits 16 ounces craft cans, 12 ounces cans with its freezable adapter, and even transforms into a 16 ounces pint tumbler. Its triple insulated stainless steel construction ensures your drink stays cold for hours, while the Bevlock leak-proof lid guarantees no spills. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just relaxing at home, the BruMate Hopsulator Trio is your go-to for keeping your beverages at the perfect temperature. Elevate your fitness routine with the VOLTRX electric protein shaker bottle. Priced at $25, this innovative shaker bottle takes the hassle out of mixing your protein shakes. Imagine a perfectly blended shake every time, without the clumps or mess. The VOLTRX shaker features a powerful motor that creates a vortex, ensuring smooth and consistent mixing. Made from BPA-free Triton material, it's safe, durable, and easy to clean. The rechargeable battery provides up to a month of use on a single charge, making it perfect for on-the-go fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're at the gym, at work, or traveling, the VOLTRX electric protein shaker bottle ensures you get the perfect shake every time. Step into the future of audio with the muzen Cybershell Bluetooth speaker. This dynamic speaker, priced at $129, combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, cyberpunk design. Imagine vibrant RGB lights pulsing to the beat of your music, creating an immersive audio-visual experience. The Cybershell delivers powerful 20 watts sound, with deep bass and 360 degrees stereo surround sound. Its Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity ensures a stable and fast connection, while the IPX5 water resistance makes it perfect for outdoor adventures.